Hi guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a new app just like we do every Monday. This one is super simple, and because of that I fully expect you to do some awesome creative things with it when you customize it for your own. The reason I'm clearing our whole day to build a very simple app is because I think you guys are going to have so much fun with it. This one is called Talk to Me, so I bet you can't guess what it does. What we're going to do, pretend I don't have App Inventor up. You can look for the URL to App Inventor at the top of any of my handouts, or you can Google App Inventor 2. It's always the first example. We click Continue to get rid of this splash screen, and you can see here's Mole Mash in the center. So I need to start a new project. Up at the top of the screen, Projects, Start New Project, and I'm going to call this one Talk to Me. All one word with no spaces. Remember, computer programming hates spaces, doesn't know what to do with them. Click OK and you're ready to go. This computer program is so simple, you can do it in a flash. We're going to drag a button from the palette section over to the user interface. We're going to come over here to Properties, and we're going to change the text to button 1 to Talk to Me. Remember, this is the part that people who are going to buy your app and pay you $1 million for it are going to see. So this is where it's nice to have proper punctuation, spelling, and spacing. Talk to me. As soon as I click off of the box, you can see the text changes there. And that's pretty much it for the basic form of this program. We just need one button, and we need one more thing. Click on Media under the palette drawer, and we need text-to-speech. Drag it over to the usable area and you'll see it drops down to our non-visible components. And over here in components, you can see we have text-to-speech and one button. Actually, that's all we need today, so we're going to go to blocks. I hope you guys guessed right. What we need is for this button to make the computer speak when it's pressed. So first we need to say button 1, and when button 1 click, do. And what we want to happen when the button is clicked is for text-to-speech to activate. So we're going to call text-to-speech 1 to speak, and then the message. Click on text and choose the first blank block. Click it into place, and here you can type anything you want. Very exciting. I'm going to say, hi guys, are you having fun? And see what it gets me. You can type anything you want, but I hope that you guys will keep it nice so that nobody in our class gets uncomfortable by the things that your program is saying. Okay, and that's pretty much it for what this program does originally. What we're going to do now, as long as we've created it correctly, we're going to test it out and see if that's true. I'm going to click on Build, Save APK to my computer, and it's going to go ahead and create. As soon as that's done, we can go ahead and email it. So we're going to go www.gmail.com and open up our email. We're going to say compose, and you're going to send it to beth@internationalschool.is, and this is your Talk to Me app. Okay, don't think it's come yet from App Inventor. Let's see. It's taking its sweet time today. Fantastic. I think I have to sneeze and everything. Here we go. Here it comes. Alright. We're going to show this in the folder. Talktome.apk is in downloads. I can see that up here. So I am going to go ahead and click on the paperclip in my email program. Downloads is where I want to go, and it's called Talktome.apk. The bar is going to fill up, and when it's fully loaded it will turn blue. When you see the file name turn blue, it's ready to send to me. Click Send. Okay, and as soon as I get it in my email, we can take a look at it in my computer and see if it's running the way it should. To give you guys a good idea, I will put it on my emulator. Okay, talk to me. When we click the button, it should talk. So it works. Fantastic. I just want to show you guys some things that you can do with this program. You can tell stories, you can add images to the buttons the way that we did when we created Hello Purr, and you can also create a drawing app in the middle of a story, and we learned how to create that in PaintPot. Let me show you an example of what I mean. This is a file that I created earlier. I actually wrote a story. Here's a picture up here of a princess, and it says, "One day a princess was walking through the forest. She said to herself, as she was walking, she saw a spider. She cried out, 'Oh no, what do I do?' Lucky for her, Beth appeared, and she said, 'I hate spiders so much,' and she guessed it with a can of Raid. And the spider said," that's a really weird screaming sound, "and they lived happily ever after, except the spider." And that's my story. And as you can see, we've jazzed up our first app with a few more buttons and a few more items. I'll let you guys see if you can figure out how to make something like this. I would also be really excited if you guys incorporated a drawing canvas in here somewhere. We'll see what you guys can do. Other than that, that's all there is to it. Have fun today. Bye, guys.